And I'm Stefan.
And we are...
We always had a dream to travel Australia.
So we packed up our lives and began our adventure in our renovated caravan called Rocket.
Be sure to tune in every week to see where our adventures take us next. So I'm meeting some of the boys today and doing a bit of EUC riding down some mountain bike tracks. Dwellingup, I believe. Should be good. See you on the trail. 22 Pro. Ooh. I like it. Oh, it's nice. This is selling it for me. T4. Yeah, I know. Hey, nice.
Well, whether you like it or not, you're doing that one.
Yeah, pretty much. That's nice.
Twist. Yeah, good point. Oh, wow, it's got some speed. Amazing how far it's shot there. Oh, I don't want to trouble! Missed me by that much. Nice.
riding home from the mountain bike tracks and such. They're pretty good. It was like I did them before with Nay on the bike, but it's nice to do it on the unicycle and with other electric unicyclists, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, really awesome group of people. It's kind of nice. Looking forward to more rides.
So on my ride home yesterday, it actually rained a little bit, so we figured a waterfall was a good chance. And yeah, this is Les Moody Falls, and it's actually waterfalling. Look at that. Look at that waterfalliness.
Not much.
No, it's not much at all.
But
It also has nice views of the city though, which is quite nice.
Actual view of the waterfall. Oh my god, it's falling. It's been a while since I've seen an actual waterfall. It's been so dry.
And you can actually see the city from here, like the actual city. It's pretty hazed out for the distance, but city! It's getting there. As it dries, you'll see. Oh, it's still so hazy. You can see me down here, the reflection, and I'm gone. Oh, that roof is going to be almost impossible. I feel like cracking out the sandpaper. Headlight came up really nice though. This is what it looked like before. Headlight wasn't too hard, but god damn, it's definitely getting there. It's a lot better than it was. I still got a bit of a ways. So it's going pretty well. I have to do a couple more passes. It's probably kind of hard to see, and my battery is too low to use flash. But there's a bit of a haze still in some of the areas. But it's starting to make the rest of the car look really dirty. Look how clean that is. So much better than it was. I haven't done this one yet, but that's what it's going to look like. Probably have to do a couple more passes on it as well. But that roof is going to be painful. Oh god, that's, you can't even see any of the reflections. Like, where's my hand? I can't see anything. Oh, here we go. You can see some of the haziness now. Still need to do a couple more passes, particularly around these bastards and this little bit there. But yeah, that's pretty good reflection. I like it. Black cars always look good. It's going to look nice at night, maybe in a petrol station or something. I'm not sure where we're taking the photos yet. I've totally finished the bonnet. It's got lots of stone chips, but look at that reflection now. That is liquid. And the headlight came up quite nice. But, oh god, that looks good. I love the reflection on black cars. It looks so mirror-like. You can hardly tell that it's even a black colour on the reflection anyway. Pretty good. And I've done half the roof, as you can see. I can't get it the same as the bonnet, because obviously, like, look at that part that I haven't done. There's no reflection at all. Absolutely nothing. That's how it's got a bit. It's definitely better. Like, you can see stuff in it. But yeah, it's not like the bonnet. He still gets the colours. They just found this. It's from the original gear knob. This is like one of the reasons why we changed the gear knob. Oh well. Where was it?
just down here.
And yeah, I was thinking I might be able to get away with just clear coating this, but nah, there's just metal under that. I'm gonna have to fully repaint. Yeah, and there's done the inside. It's looking pretty dapper. Look at that.
So much cleaner.
It's way cleaner.
Done it before, but
Probably.
it's disgusting. Clean that.
It was all pretty bad. This car's, you already cleaned this car as well, didn't you?
Not the inside. Only the vacuum.
Even with the vacuum though, it's looking a lot nicer. A few little bits. Oh, I made it worse. I got a green finger. Shit. Don't touch things.
This is the Railway Reserve Heritage Trail. Check it out. It's pretty nice.
We're gonna go to the tunnel.
Go on the tunnel.
Nice stuff.
Maximum we can display is like.
Oh, I did it!
Hey, nice. Naomi just made it. Look at that. Oh my god, 4,000 kilometers. You proud? I'm sure proud. 4,000. That's fantastic. It's the first you've ever gone on a scooter. Hell of an accomplishment. So, someone I met on the electric unicycle rides lately, he mentioned he had a bunch of S18 parts, so he's like, I'll give it to you for 100 if you want it. Turns out, it's not just S18 parts, it's like the motor, 2 motherboards, there is 2 batteries that are unfortunately toast. The batteries are good, I've tested the batteries, they're good, but the BMSs are both broken in both of them. You can tell on this one, it's totally this part here. You can see that's all burnt out. And I'm not sure what's wrong with this one, but all the chips look fine, but it's putting out suboptimal power on one of them, and it's the pack's fine, but the one of the chips is busted, I guess. So I might take one of these, desolder that, and connect it onto this, so then I only have to buy one small half battery. Should be good. And yeah, it's got a motor, it's got everything. It's got 2 motherboards. However, one of the motherboards somewhere, the switch is broken on it. The on button is broken on it. But I have another motherboard, my old one, that has the charger board that's broken, the charger port in here. So I'll take the button off that, and so I should have a spare motherboard. This one works. I don't know if it works perfectly or not, if there's any issues, but I'll find out. Oh, it's missing a screw. What the? But yeah, all in all, $100 for all of that. It's worth it for the motherboard or the motor alone. So hopefully I'll be able to fix up by the time my brother gets here. That'd be pretty awesome. We've done a bit of the sanding, as you can tell. Smooth, you can't feel the line. Same with along here. You can see all the end bit. It's called. Oh, I can actually feel a tiny bit there, as you can probably see. But yeah, bonnet's been done. Still little bits here that you can still feel. We're going to do a bit more. Just can't be bothered. We're going to do a bit more later. Need to do all this a bit more. But all that's done. This is almost, this bit's done, but this bit needs a bit more. And all along there's done. Yeah, getting there. Slow and steady. And we'll paint her up and hopefully I do a good job in painting. We're at Bell's Rapid. It's pretty dried up at the moment. Apparently people like water raft down here and such, but not at the moment because it is totally dry as a crisp. There is a little bit of water, but there's no rapiding on that's for sure. It's amazing. It's actually really salty. Like you can see all the saltiness. Like look at that. Look at that saltiness. Our car, Kermit, and look at this. Look at all. Oh, damn it. Oh, you can still see it in the back. Look at all those Kermits. There's Kermits all over the place. She had Kermits next to her. It's funny.
Who puts it in a passenger seat?
It's pretty Kermit-y. Top speed of my S18 on an electric ride. I honestly thought you were going to win it as well. Look at all of it. The new Evolved GT. It's like Harden or Hayden or whatever. Oh. That's pretty good. That's nice. Such good responsiveness.
smooth. That is a big step up from the GTR.